So once you have achieved this particular how to generate the door window schedule on the automatic basis, now let's see how we can further fine tune this. Say for example, if you can check out the D02 in my case, it is the same door which is for inserted for three times. So he's listing that again individually. Same thing may be applicable for window or openings or folding door. So if you want to trim down this and you would like to just if the same repeated object is there and you don't want to write it again individually every time, there's a option known as a merge uniform items. If you click on this, you will see that he'll trim down that list and he'll just list out only that object once, not number of times. Further to that, this is what you can see. For example, now this door window schedule, this particular title, you would like to write it in a better bold manner. So I can just click on this particular title, and here he says that whether it's a header or you can decide this. It's just like using your Excel sheet. And then what should be the row height, the text height, whether it should be bold, underline, italic. You can decide that. If in case element ID you didn't like this wording, or if you say that this particular thing I don't want to have a 3.5 as a text height over here. Instead of that, let's try to place this entire thing for a 2 mm or a 2.5 mm. So what you can do is instead of entire this header, you can make this as a value or total, and all these are the different apply format options too. That is what he's trying to say. Okay. I will say that this has to be 2.5. Sorry, it's a 2.5. Okay. So you can see now the element ID width and same thing is applicable for this entire group, the value group, which is supposed to be now. And this group, I would like to keep this also as a 2.5. Okay. Then you can decide its justification and everything. You can have line types to be get redesigned. Um, and if you see that, okay, there's too much of width. And another thing I would like to add that element ID, I don't want to write over here. Instead of this, I want to change this for name, width, and height. Okay, so that's become my new heading for this particular column. So this you can edit. Even you have a choice of editing the name or the width or the height, because these are the directly interactive between your um, drawn object and the listed out element over here. For example, if you just got confused, I'm not sure like O01, O01, the sizes are different, but how come the name is same? And I want to change that. But before that, I just want to find out where exactly this is placed. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to click over here. And if you want to identify this in a floor plan, you can click on this select on floor plan button, or you can click on 3D also. Okay, you can identify this object in 3D also. I'll click on floor plan option. So ArchiCAD will jump on the floor plan and he will just highlight that, okay, this is one what his ArchiCAD is saying that O01 is supposed to be. And then there is one more O01 which is supposed to be. So which one you would like to preserve? I'll say this bigger one should go with as a O01. Then this is the O02 and this should be also O02 because they are same for their size. For example, if you check out this, it's a 1200 and even this is supposed to be 1200, which actually you can identify even in your schedule also. So I'll go back to the schedule and here I'll check out that there's a O01 which is supposed to be 1.2 and O02 is also 1.2. So if you change that ID directly in the floor plan, but then you have to select the door and then change that, or otherwise the best part is you just directly edit this particular ID or its width or height of the door directly in the schedule because they are interactive in the sense you can communicate with the schedule to the object or object to schedule. So it's a two-way communication. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to make this as a 0 2. So automatically what will happen, that will get accepted. Again I'm going to say merge unify. I'll remove this, again I'll add this, and you will see now this is okay. Still it is getting listed, but next time if I reopen it, it will get surely get merged. So now try this, and let's see how to place this schedule next time on the paper.